Most magicians are not happy as they don't make their dream amount of money, don't have high paying clients and shows, they are not able to get that fame and recognition, which in turn affects their performance. Well, there is one solution. Welcome to the Iron Magician, a training that contains timeless secrets that have existed since the ancient times and have been used to gain power, fame, and wealth, not just by magicians but also every other ultra successful people. These secrets are timeless, which means they never get old and keeps working as long as humans exist. I have compiled these secrets into very simple, easy and understanding concepts and made them available in two formats: a part-by-part video module which will be instantly delivered and a book which will be delivered to your location. Get the one that's easy for you. I'd suggest getting the book as it has been made later, so the details are more rich and revised. Before making this training publicly available, I provided this to a couple of working and successful magicians and they all loved it, as it contains powerful information. This one training will increase the level of competition in the market, and the people with the knowledge shared in this training are going to be the ones who are going to be dominating this section of the entertainment industry. So if you are a beginner, get this and get on the track. If you are a working magician, get this. Otherwise, the beginners who are going to get this, they are going to surpass you in no time and you are going to look like a beginner. So get this and get boosted. If you are successful, you have definitely worked hard and also had that luck with you. So get this and keep that luck to yourself, otherwise the people with the knowledge are going to just take that luck away from you. Don't let that happen. This one training is going to be a very important addition to all of your arsenal. Trust me. Right now I'm making this available at a discounted price for a limited time. However, I am going to increase the price. The knowledge is just too good to even make it available to the public, let alone provide a discount. I do feel regret making this secret publicly available, but at the same time it is also going to be funny to see how many high performers this would create who would just increase the level of competition. You will find the link to the Iron Magician in the description.